Welcome to our tutorial on using the offset command in AutoCAD. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of using this command to create parallel lines, arcs, and polylines within your drawings. First, let's locate the offset command icon. It is typically found in the Modify panel of the Home tab. Alternatively, you can also access it by typing offset in the command line and hitting enter. Now, let's practice using the offset command with a simple object. In this case, we have a straight line that we would like to create a parallel copy of. To begin, select the offset command icon, or enter offset in the command line. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify the offset distance. Enter the desired offset distance, either by typing it in the command line or by selecting 2 points to define a distance. After specifying the offset distance, AutoCAD prompts you to select the objects to offset. Click on the straight line to select it. Once the offset is applied, you will see a new parallel line generated at the specified distance. It retains the same length as the original line. AutoCAD also provides an offset indicator, allowing you to easily visualize the offset process. The indicator can be used to create multiple offsets parallel to the original object. Remember, the offset command can be used with various types of objects, including lines, arcs, and polylines. Simply select the desired object and follow the same steps as we demonstrated earlier. In summary, the offset command in AutoCAD allows you to create parallel copies of objects within your drawings efficiently. We hope this tutorial has provided you with a clear understanding of how to use the offset command. Thank you for watching.